Hello everyone, this is Katie with Sage Creek Creations. I'm going to show you how I do the invisible fasten off on my pieces. There are lots of other tutorials out there, but I thought it might be useful to see it on the yarn that I use. So you pull out your last stitch, just like that, as if you're going to be just fastening it off. I'm going to create a false loop so that we can have an even edge when we are attaching it to the body. So you're going to take your tail, skip the first stitch of that last round, come around and pull it through to the back. Not too tight. Try to keep the stitch length even with those around it. Now what you're going to do, you're going to bring that tail up here. This is your last stitch from the previous round. Go in from the back side, catch that loop, pull it back in to the inside, and you can see around this marker it has created a false stitch. I'm going to gently pull it through, not too hard, make that loop even, the others around it, and there you go. Can't even see where it was, and it still looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches, which is exactly what we need to attach to the body.